Step one, dig your own hole. This is a 30 by 14, framed out and formed up at 32 by 16. The strings represent the face of wall. You got a string here, linear, and a string here, widthwise. Got a couple inches of stone in here for drainage and good adhesion, good working conditions. We got the top of stone marked out on the grade stakes, top of gunite. We left some earth where our bench is, saved some money on gunite. Left some earth here where our sun shelf is. We went with 2 skimmers. Skimmers aren't set yet, that's next. Everything's rough plumbed. See the Five Guys cup for dewatering. Got each skimmer on its own line. In case there's a problem, we can always isolate it. Second skimmer shares plumbing with the main drains. Comes down here to a T. You'll see the T here for the main drains. I might even put a valve in there. Haven't decided yet. Right past the T in case I ever want to isolate it. Coming over here, everything's going back to the proposed filter location. You'll see down this side of the pool, we have 2 return lines coming through. Also put a T in on one of the lines in case we want to do a waterfall or something later on. But you'll see the return lines. Get another look at the whole pool here. Coming back, so you basically have 4 lines, 2 skimmers, 2 returns. Coming back to the proposed filter location. Everything coming up vertical, rough plumbed. Next step, we got the 1-inch conduit for the power supply from the breaker. I already had a conduit here, so I just extended it, running it over. On to the next step. Got to dig the ditch for the light. Once we pass this inspection, do the bonding and the rebar. Stay tuned.